Ouch, ouch.
Maybe I bring a sensitive. No? Instead of playing sacrifice ka, playing pickleball, doon na or forgoing your Friday night or Saturday night mahjong session. That's what we call goodness. When you pray for the driver who overtook you, instead na i-turn mo siya, pising na anak. But instead kung dili yung tatong disgrasya, what did you do? That's goodness.
Of course man.
When you hold back to gossip about a leader or a member in BCPP, your back, no? You zip your mouth. Even if you are angry with him or her, that is self-control. As simple as that. Nagkapatag mga instances na makuha every day. But these are the instances where God is forming you. No? These are small acts, but these have eternal weight or value. They are the very evidence of the Spirit of Jesus working or living in us. No? In the end, I think the strongest witnessing that we can do as BCPP members and leaders is not winning arguments about our faith or defending our responsibility as leader. Leader good coach, no? Orang akong buhat to, no? It is about loving difficult people, forgiving someone who hurt you, being patient, especially with difficult people here in BCPP in our community. We are still work in progress lagi, di ba? No? Remaining faithful to your spouse, not only, I'm not talking here lang of infidelity, but even being patient with her, no? Because she is still undergoing some conversion also. Helping someone who can never repay you. Have you done that lately? Or speaking respectfully even to those who disagree with you. These are all, what you call this, God's way of molding you to bear fruit. Or from the provinces here. Sa bagay, Lilo, probinsya man, no? I came from Pangasinan and I practice dito ang mangga. Kanang we have this pausukan. Asuhan din, no? We don't use dogs. Usok ang namo. Pinakasuhan magka.
Para madaghan ang
just kidding. No?
Para
pinakasuhan din, no?
para ma-bear fruit.
Smoke. No. But you know why? Ang scientific explanation there,
Bear
is
fruit.
this. No, other
bear
than the
fruit.
insects.
Para madaghan ang
Bunga.
bunga.
Nga naman mabunga. Kay the stress mismo of the smoke that it raised to the leaves will make the tree bear more fruit.
Oh, yes. That's true.
No? Other than katong imong gusto ko is insects, it's really more on the irritation that is caused
To
by
bear.
the assault.
Disturbs ang tree.
Oh, exactly. No, but because of that, mag-bear o
Fruits, Jude.
flowers and then eventually pollination. Exactly na timing ana. Anyway, what does that mean? Sa Tagalog we say sometimes yung mga maliliit na bagay na gano'n, yung sa buhay natin, yun ang nakakapuwing. In the same way na ang aso will create irritations in Mango's lives, but in the process, it will bear much fruit. No? So, if we are confronted with some irritations, like na kay member or leader na kay conflict or whatever, no? The first thing that we should do is ask ourselves, what is God telling me in this situation? How can I bear fruit through them? Mama na. Okay? Ang ginuti manusulti na, Jajang, you are not patient. No. He will send us difficult people so that we can gain what? Patience. Is that clear? Am I
Yes.
making sense?
Yes.
So, to wrap in, my dear friends, the choice is set before us. Will we be the barren fig tree? Or we will be the tree whose branches are full of roots and rooted in Christ? No? Always remember this. God is telling us when we do acts, small acts, no matter how small it is, Jesus is telling in the gospel, whatever you did to the least of my brethren, you did it for me. The above verse emphasizes the immense value God places on how we treat others, especially those who are in need. It's easy to love loving people kang mga kwan. We don't need faith to do that, no? Loving man, so it's easy to love her. But God is calling us to love people who are difficult. Why? Because that is part of His commandments. Love your neighbor as yourself. So to all of you, my dear BCBP Liluan outreach members and leaders, if there's one thing that I want you to remember in this short talk that I'm giving, let's not settle for being leafy Christians, no? Maniguha ta nga kita nga mahimong mapurmahon, dili lang matahunon nga Kristiyano. Ako short story, okay lang. Di ko magdali. Nani, ang ngalan niya si Dodong. No? Si Dodong. Si Dodong, he is a kanang devout Catholic kada adlaw manimban. No? One time, nanimba siya, kunya nakalimot man siya off or silent mode sa iya cellphone. So, nag-homily ang pare. No? Ni bakting bitaw ka ng bakting bitaw mo ka ng kusog ba? Oo na. So, na, what ka lang? Ni tanaw sa iyo, pati ang pare ni tanaw sa iyo. Kunya ka na bang ka na bang tanaw nga ka ng mura ka mahilis ba? So, luwi itang si Dodo. You off me. Naman ang misa, sus na, tagang door sa iya. Ikaw ba? Tinarusad ka, be present. Kinalang natin, presence of mind. Wawa niya. On that night, you went to a bar. Kaya pag-awas lagi siya debate. Sus, ang samaning si Dodong kay iniglingkot niya nga order siya. Tumugtingan sa G3 siya o whatever. Si kanasan niya, tumpanasan. Pag-inusyun, not again. Pero, iyan ang kuhao. Ang waiter bitaw ni doon. Siya ni ko, okay lang. Sabi niya. In fact, we will replace that on the house. Why bayan? So, balik ko siya. Ito ka sa bago mabuti. Why this? O, ang tapat sa naging okay lang bro, okay lang na. Anasan, nagtapusan na sa. Don't, just take it easy. Ano? Because of that gesture, kaya ba mo? Pirmina siya.
Mas comfortable man. Mas daghan man ang
Because, nga, sa iyang pagtuo, mas maayo ang bar sa church. No? Pero diha siya nakakita of love, understanding.
sa mga tao.
So I'll go back to our introduction. Na gisulti nato kanang we cannot blame people na dili ang akit nga mo lakaw o mo